In today's video, I am going to teach you how to always open Google Chrome in incognito mode on Windows. To begin, find the Google Chrome shortcut you normally use to open the browser. This could be the shortcut on your desktop or the one you access from the Start menu. The important thing is to edit the same shortcut you plan to keep using, because only that shortcut will open Chrome in incognito mode after this change. Once you have located the shortcut, right-click it and choose Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, make sure you are on the Shortcut tab. Now look for the Target field. This box shows the file path for the Chrome application. You will see the path ending with chrome.exe, usually inside quotation marks. Be careful not to change any part of the existing path. Click at the very end of the text in that target box, right after the closing quotation mark. Then press the spacebar once and type -incognito. That extra command tells Windows to start Google Chrome in incognito mode whenever you use that shortcut. A small typing mistake here can prevent the shortcut from working, so make sure there is only one space before the dash, and that the command is spelled exactly as -incognito. After that, click Apply to save the change, and then click OK to close the window. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue so the update can be saved. From now on, when you open Chrome using that edited shortcut, it should launch straight into an incognito window. That covers everything you need to know.